Welcome to another video from devtechie.com. Every app has one destination that matters more than the rest. In iOS 27, SwiftUI finally has a way to say so with a single role. This is QuickCart, 4 tabs: Home, Search, Cart, and Profile. Notice the Cart tab, it's already bigger than the rest, that's the prominent role. Bump the quantity up, tap it back down, and watch the badge update live every single time. Tap Profile, same tab bar, standard treatment, no extra weight. Shopping apps lean on the cart, travel apps lean on trips, banking apps lean on payments. Every app has one destination that matters more than the rest. Before iOS 27, giving that one destination extra weight meant building a custom tab bar from scratch, hand-rolling the sizing, the animation, all of it. Now, it's a single role modifier on a standard tab. Here's the plan: QuickCart, a 4-tab shopping app, Home, Search, Cart, and Profile in a standard tab view. Cart gets the new prominent role plus a live badge showing the item count, all backed by an observable view model. Start with the data. A cart item is just a value type, an id, a name, a price, and a quantity. No logic, no dependencies, easy to test and safe to pass around. The view model owns the cart's state. Observable replaces observable object here, no published needed on these properties. Item count is computed. It adds up every item's quantity and it recalculates automatically anytime items changes. That's what ends up driving the badge. Each row needs to read and write a quantity without owning any state of its own. That's what this computed binding does. Get returns the current quantity, set calls into the view model to update it. And notice this view holds its view model with state, not state object. Observable types don't conform to observable object, so state is the correct and only way to hold one. The other 3 tabs just need something to show for now. Each one is just a navigation stack around some placeholder text, nothing exciting. And that's the point. Now there's a real tab bar with 4 real destinations to compare against. Before touching prominent, wire up a completely normal tab view. This is the iOS 27 tab builder syntax: a title, an SF symbol, and a closure for the destination. Build and run right now and every tab looks exactly the same weight. That's about to change. Here's the payoff. Add the prominent role to the tab initializer and switch to the label closure form so you control the icon and title directly. The destination and navigation behavior don't change at all. Tapping it still pushes CartView exactly like any other tab. The only difference, visual weight in the bar itself. A prominent tab pairs naturally with a badge. Both are ways of saying this matters right now. Badge accepts any integer, and since item count is computed, the badge updates the moment items changes. No manual refresh logic anywhere. Right now, the badge and the cart view are watching 2 separate view models, so they drift out of sync. Fix that by creating one instance at the tab level and passing it down. CartView takes it as a plain property instead of owning it with state. Because it's a reference type marked observable, SwiftUI still tracks changes correctly. Update a quantity in the cart and the badge reflects it immediately. One line to remember: the prominent role changes, visual weight only. Tapping that tab still just navigates exactly like any other tab in the bar. A few places to take this next. Swap CartItem for a Swift data model and persist the cart across launches. Look at TabView customization to let people reorder the other tabs while cart stays pinned in place. And apply this exact pattern anywhere else. One destination deserves the spotlight: a tickets tab, a trips tab, a pay tab. One more look: Home, Search, and then Cart, still standing out from the rest, still carrying its own live count. One role modifier, one live badge, and the tab that matters most finally looks like it. Now go build it into your own app. Don't forget to like and subscribe.